Ms. Stevenson, you might want to put into the chat to Ms. Gantz that she need to make her way downtown. She need to make her way downtown. I'm ready on green. Ms. Gantz, you might need to make your way downtown. It's been this, we've tried to bring you into the courtroom at least 4 times. And then I put you in the breakout room earlier and then your device didn't work. You may need to come downtown. Listen, there's no, it's not even a conversation. You may need to come downtown. So I'm going to put you in the breakout room. If you have any difficulties with your technology, then you need to come downtown. Please accept to join the breakout room and wait for the lawyers to come in to speak with you. He needs to come downtown, Ms. Stevenson.
Ms. Chosen?
Sir, please wait your turn.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Ms. Stevenson, she needs to come downtown. Did you get her phone number before she got disconnected?
Yes, Your Honor, I have it.
Call her and let her know she needs to come downtown.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, I'm ready on green. This is case number 035923801, the people of the state of Michigan versus Chosen, and then middle name is Baracha, last name Green. Defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. Today is the date set for a pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Janice Stevens, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Chosen Green. Mr. Green, sir, please say your full name.
Chosen Green.
Your
Chosen
full.
Caracas, Zaytwan, Lamar Green.
Thank you. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Ms. Stevenson.
Thank you, Your Honor. On behalf of Mr. Green, we move for dismissal for the complainant's failure to appear.
Ms. Ritter.
Your Honor, it's at least the second segment of the pretrial conference. The court requires the complaining witness, Ms. Gloria Hall, to be present. I don't see Ms. Hall in the waiting room, and the people don't have an explanation as to why Ms. Hall is not here. At this time, Your Honor, the people will not be able to proceed based on the complaining witness's failure to appear.
Today is the day set for pretrial conference. The complaining witness was required to appear. They have failed to appear, and the people have no explanation for the failure. They are unable to proceed at this time. Mr. Green, the court is going to grant defense counsel's motion. The matter is dismissed without prejudice. We will mail you a copy of the order of dismissal for your record, sir. Have a great day and stay safe.
Okay, you too, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You ready? I'm ready. You're welcome. I'm ready on Isaac. All right, this is case number 184570201, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tiffany Isaac. The defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery, 1 count of disorderly disturbance. Today is the date set for a pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of Tiffany Isaac, who appears today via Zoom. Tiffany, could you please unmute your microphone and say your full name for the record?
My name is Tiffany Isaac.
Today is the day set for a pretrial conference. How are we proceeding?
Today, we're going to move for a dismissal based on the complaining witness's failure to appear.
Ms. Ritter,
Your Honor, with respect to count one, I don't see the complaint witness, Ms. Tamika Barber, in the waiting room. It is a second scheduling of the pretrial conference, and the court did require Ms. Barber to be present. The people don't have an explanation as to why Ms. Barber is not present, so at this time, Your Honor, the people will not be able to proceed as respect to count one.
with respect to count one, today is the day set for pretrial conference. The complaining witness was required to appear. They have failed to appear, and the people have no explanation for the failure. They're unable to proceed. As to count two, how do you wish to proceed, Mr. Mooney?
Your Honor, we're going to ask that this be set for a final pretrial and request all discovery on the matter.
Ms. Ritter, did discovery get sent already on count two or no?
No, Your Honor, it was not ordered.
Court is going to set the remaining count for final pretrial conference. The 24th, 2024.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, no, don't interrupt me. I see your hand. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right, the court is going to set count two for a final pretrial conference, April 24th. Discovery should be submitted to the defense by April the 5th. Ma'am, you need to stop. You need to stop. And it appears that you need to come to court in person. Because we're not going to, and you're going to get unconfused, but what you're not going to do is be disruptive to my court proceeding. I see your hand. I will acknowledge you at the appropriate time, but you will not interrupt me. You will not lay back and fall out in court. It's inappropriate.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Mooney, I'm going to send your client back to the breakout room. She clearly has questions about why the other count wasn't dismissed, but we're going to always maintain proper Zoom court decorum, or we're going to come in person.
Sure, no problem.
Want me to go with her, Mr. Mooney? Or?
You can continue. I can talk to her. No problem.
I'm ready on Hall.
Judge, may I ask a question about Ms. Gantz?
You may.
Did she come at 3 o'clock today? She doesn't have transportation because she's not driving.
No, she can't come at 3 o'clock, Ms. Stevenson. I'll be right in the middle. I believe I will be in the middle of a jury trial.
She's just having some trouble getting down here, Judge.
She's having a lot of trouble, but the thing of it is her sentencing was scheduled at least 4 weeks ago. Every issue that she's having today, she should have addressed between her last court date and today. So she needs to get down here as soon as possible, and she should not plan to get down here at 3 o'clock.